Lots of people are asking about the interval, optimal interval for the fluid change in the gearbox, manual gearbox in Skoda Fabia MK3. And the problem is that in the driver's manual, owner's manual, service book, you will not find this interval because Skoda doesn't recommend changing the fluid in these transmissions, gearboxes. Skoda says it's for the lifespan of the transmission, but the common sense interval actually exists, and it's about 65,000 miles, 6 to 7 years, or 100,000 kilometers. And you should change the fluid with this interval because the fluid becomes thicker when it works. So it contaminates with the products, with the metal particles, tiny metal particles when it works, and the fluid becomes thicker and it becomes less efficient. So your transmission gets a lot of load, a lot of problems when, for example, it drives 150,000 kilometers without changing fluid. Also, Volkswagen manual transmissions, manual gearboxes that are used in Skoda Fabia MK3, they all need from 1.2 to 2 liters of fluid only. So it's not expensive to change it, and you will prolong the life of the transmission. So of course it's recommended to use a common sense interval to change the fluid in these gearboxes.